Hello everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. I'm just going to do a little video of how I'm working on taming Sarabi a bit. So, once upon a time she would just lunge right off the bat like this wouldn't even be a threat. She'd have lunged already. Something I do is I just kind of put my hand in, kind of testing her boundaries a little bit. She'd have already bitten me a long while ago. She'd have just latched onto my finger and not let go. So the fact that she's not now is a major improvement. So I just kind of slowly inch a little closer. She just licked my finger. That was nice. Yeah, and then I just kind of slowly inch closer. And as long as her mouth is not gaping, that's improvement. Even if her mouth gapes, I don't pull back. I just kind of keep testing her boundaries, let her know that she's fine. Not doing any crazy sudden movements. My finger is now officially on her. Just kind of doing little soft pets. She's a little unsure, but she's accepting it. That's nice. I'm just trying to get her to the point where she will accept me reaching in and being able to remove her easily, because as of now, whenever it comes time to cleaning or moving her, it's really a hectic thing. She gets to flying and biting and musking, and just trying to get her past that. So I've been putting a lot more effort in recently and trying to get her used to my presence. And this is really good so far. She looks like she's thinking about biting me. I'm going to slow down on moving. I mean, their bites ain't the worst, but they ain't fun. Oh, she's licking me. That's good. Hi, Sarabi. How are ya? You know you're safe. Do you know I'm not gonna hurt you, huh? Yeah, you're getting there. I think once we can get to the point of me handling you, then we can, get you out more and, let you kind of run around and set you up little areas. That'd be nice. Huh? So this is just what I've been doing every day, slowly. Just literally putting my hand in there. And for a while, she would just kind of gap at me, threaten to bite. So this is probably the best we've had yet. This is a really, really nice improvement. Oh, there it is. There's the bite. Yeah. There it is. It's not making me go away, though. I'm not going to let her run me away. When she's calm again, I will gently move my hand back, but I'm not going to let her know that this is what's going to make me go away. You are feisty. You need to calm down. There it is. No. Shh. Chill. You're fine. I am not hurting you. You are fine. You are safe. Okay? You are calm again. I'm going to move back. Oh. So that's what it is. That's usually how it was at all times. So the fact that she took so long to get to that point is a really big improvement. And as you can see, those bites aren't bad. They're not the worst, especially because she didn't really latch on. She mostly kind of gave me some back off bites, and it was just kind of giving me some warnings. But it's an improvement, and we're getting there. So I'm gonna let her chill. It was a good little session. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me get bit. All right, that's all. You take care. Love yourselves. Love your reptiles. Love your loved ones. Keep spreading those herps.